everyone, today we are going to learn about counting with a wonderful quiet book activity. You can see it is a beautiful designed activity. It's written here, count the fairies in the fairy garden. And there are some fairies here. I have cut them and laminated them. And there are some beautiful numbers, colorful numbers. I have cut them and laminated them. So I have put this sheet in the plastic bag like this one. So let's continue our today's activity. Now in this one you will ask the child to count the activities and match their numbers with them. Ask the child, place one fairy here in the fairy garden. The child will do it. You will ask the child to find number 1 in the numbers. The child will find number 1 and place it here. Now you will ask the child, can you place one more fairy in the fairy garden? The child will place one more fairy. Now you will ask the child, can you count them? 1 and 2. Can you find 2? The child will find it and place it here. Again, can you place one more fairy in the fairy garden? How many fairies are there? 1, 2 and 3. Can you place 3 on the top of the fairy garden? 3. Can you place one more fairy in the fairy garden? 4. Can you find 4 and place it on the top like this? Again, can you place one more fairy? Now can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's 5. Again, can you place one more fairy in the fairy garden? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Can you find 6 and place it on the template here? 6. Can you place one more fairy in the fairy garden? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you place 7 here on the template? 7. Can you place one more fairy in the fairy garden? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Can you find 8 and place it here on the template? 8. Can you place one more fairy in the fairy garden? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Can you place 9 here on the template? Again, can you place one more fairy in the fairy garden? 10. Can you place the number 10 here on the template? 10. So this was activity number 1. Now let's continue with another activity. Place all these number cards here and place all these fairies here. Now in next activity we are going to place a random number of fairies in the fairy garden and ask the child to match them. So I have placed a few fairies in the fairy garden. Now you will ask the child, can you count the fairies? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you will ask the child, can you find 4 from these numbers? The child will pick up 4 and place it here. You will do this activity with all the numbers and fairies. Now the next activity is reversed one. This is activity number 3. Now you will ask the child to take out any number of flashcards from the number flashcards. So for example, you ask the child, can you take out 2? The child will take out 2 and place it here. Now you will ask the child, can you take out 2 fairies and place them here in the fairy garden? 1 and 2. Now you will ask the child So activity number 4 is forward counting. You will ask the child to count from 1 till 10. Once he counts them, you will ask him to place all the number flashcards here from 1 till 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, same goes for the backward counting. Place all these flashcards here and just random numbers. Now you will ask the child to do backward counting from 10 till 1. The child will tell you the backward counting, and after that you will ask the child to place the flashcards of numbers in backward counting order and descending order. So this is the last activity. Let's do it. 1, it's 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this was it for today. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe so that I can keep uploading more wonderful videos for you. Thank you.